What's going on, Game Time Gurus Nation? Another day, another wage. Tony with you again, Game Time Gurus, man. We're excited today. This is a great day, guys. Great hallmark. So, when we first started this case study, when we first started this account, started these books, we started recording this process. We started with $100, man. Bovada gave me a $50 bonus. Here's where my account is right now, $2,050. Now, I was up, if you watched the video prior, I was up a little bit more than that. I was up 290. It was like 22.90. I bet 240 last night, and it fell last night, just barely, but that's okay. You know, I really put it on myself because of the way I waged on it, because I was ready to take my payout, but I had Thursday night action, so I said, well, I'm going to make this one wage. If it don't hit, it don't hit. If it do, it do. If it don't, I'm gonna just pull my money, give my payout, and then we'll go back to the drawing board. So our goal was to have enough to do $1,000 payout and leave $1,000 in the books. But you know what? Changed my mind, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get 15 and leave 5 in the books. And so, what is this all about? It's all about showing you guys that this is possible. You can cut a check from this business. You can cut a check from investing in sports. And that's what I'm about to do right now. Just want to record this so you can have proof. So you won't, next time you see my account, why you down at 500? Because I cut me a check for 15, and guess what? That thing is on the way. So, hey guys, Game Time Gurus, membership. Hey man, we're going to show you how to make money. We're going to show you how to invest right, and we're going to show you how to cut a check for yourself. So let's go ahead and jump into this real quick. I'm going to go ahead and hit this withdraw button. I think my address is wrong, so we're going to change that, and we're going to go and get this thing going, guys. All right, so this is real live money. This is really, really going down right now. So let's go ahead and get this one. Okay, so we're gonna go on and cut us a check for 15 and leave 550 in there. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm doing this live for you guys so you can know. Let's see what they talking about. So processed in one installment, 1 per 7 days. So now your withdrawal assignment processed in one installment frequency, 1 per 7 days. So I can get this every time. Estimated total time frame 17 days. So that's why I gotta go and make them pay me, man. Look, they want you to use Bitcoin, man, but we're not on that Bitcoin right now. We on, hey man, give me my check. I don't want no fees. I don't want nothing, right? So now, oh, I need to change my address. I need to get them on the phone. Okay, so we did it, guys. I just need to change my address, so we need to get that on the phone, get them on the phone. But anyway, we did it. So that's done. So we just cut us a check for $1,500, starting with $150. That was in August. We're in October. It took us a little while, but it was August. I think we started August 16th. So preseason all the way to now, we're like in the fourth season of the NFL season, and we're already making major headway. So now I got $550 left to get them trouble with, and we got 15 coming our way. I just need to change my address. God bless you guys. I just did this video to show you, man, you can cut a check from this game. Become a free member, man. We're going to show you how to do it. Not only that, we're going to take you by the hand, we're accountable, guys. We're doing this ourselves. This is nothing that we're telling you, hey, man, pick these moves and hope they hit. No, we're making these moves ourselves. We're putting money on these moves. So you got a brotherhood. You got a company, a firm that is accountable to your money, but you still have the opportunity to control your money, because we're not going to control your money. You control your own money. You just make winning moves, pay our membership fee every month, and cut you a check like I just did for this $1,500. God bless you guys. Love you. Tony with the Game Time Gurus. I'm excited. We got more action tonight. My team is playing the Tampa Bay Rays, so we're gonna take the under tonight. So the under will be a good move tonight, and we're gonna take that tonight, and we're gonna build this up so we can build us another $2,000 check. God bless you guys. Let's get it going, man. Hit the buttons below. Look at the training so you can get some understanding of what we're doing. Then when you're ready, become a VIP, paid member, and start getting paid through investing in live sports. God bless you guys.